Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about why your Amana Washer makes loud noises when filling and how you can fix it. Let's get started. A clogged water inlet valve can cause your washer to produce loud noises. Mineral deposits and debris can clog the water inlet valve. If your washer's inlet valve is clogged, replace it. Here's how. Disconnect the water and power supply to your washer. Disconnect the water supply hoses from the inlet valve and unthread the screws holding it in place. Remove the old inlet valve and install the replacement part. Secure it in place and connect the water supply hoses. Reconnect the water and power supply to your washer. If the water pressure is extremely high, you'll likely hear loud noises in your washer. Water flowing into your washer should do so smoothly. If your water pressure is too high, it creates noise in the machine. To address this problem, reduce the water supply pressure to your washer, then check if the problem persists. Check for clogged inlet hoses. Mineral deposits, dirt, and debris often clog inlet hoses, which forces your machine to use more energy to push water into the machine. This, in turn, creates loud and annoying noises. To fix this, disconnect and clean the inlet hoses. Alternatively, replace them if cleaning could damage the pipes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.